Happy New Year's Eve, 31st of December, and the last sunset of 2023. And I am at a so-called naked beach, or actually the naked part of Ammos Kambouri. So the public beach is around that corner, and this spot was marked on Google Maps as a naked beach. And it has beautiful sand and also mix of rocks, which is usually what nudist beaches consist of. And yes, I am out for beach adventures in Cyprus over Christmas and New Year's holidays. This is day 11 of my beach adventures, and if you have been following, I have covered so many different beaches, and this is the second time this season that I'm here in December. I also visited this place back in August, and it was one of the most watched videos on my channel from Cyprus. So let's see how this video will do. I'm very curious. But it's a beautiful Sunday, last day of the year, and I couldn't have chosen better way to spend the holidays. It has been 20 degrees all way long. Even now it is 20 degrees, despite having little clouds earlier. The water temperature is 20 degrees steady throughout the whole stay that I was here. And I'm here for 4 more days now, and I'm going to explore a few more beaches. But now I'm going to show you this pearl. It's actually unofficial because there are no official naked or nudist beaches in Cyprus, as it is forbidden. But there are a few spots that have been marked as for that purpose. And especially those wild beaches that are not so easily accessible and are far from the public parts of the beaches. But look at that, look at the sunset. The sunset is beautiful, and the reflection of the water makes it even more pretty. It's amazing. And when I was here a few days ago, there were so many waves, and it was very hard to get into the water. It was dangerous. Today it's gonna be a lot easier. So here we have some leftover water that's very warm because it stayed there and it was warmed by the sun. And if you remember, there were waves all the way here when I was here last week. But today it's gonna be easy peasy to get into the water, and we can slightly see the beach, the public beach, Ammos Kambouri, from here, but those parts over there are actually not visible at all, and that's why someone has marked this as a naked beach. The water looks very inviting, and it is 4 p.m. right now, and the sun is gonna be here for 40 minutes more. So we are at the golden hour, at this naked beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. So let's then unravel and enjoy this beauty over here. All right, it's time then to take a swim at this naked beach next to Ammos Kambouri. So let's then go! Amazing. It's so amazing and brilliant. I can also see the bottom from here. I was worried last time that there were sea urchins, but I can't see any around here, so that's good. So yes, greetings from the golden hour here at this naked beach spot in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to subscribe to follow more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.